Today we're going to see how we can host a web page. Open Google, then type 000 web host. This is a free web hosting site. The first link that comes in, click on this. Click on sign in option. Scroll down, close this advertisement. Click on login with Google. This will allow you to make an account with your Gmail ID. Put your Gmail ID. Click on next. Put the password of your Gmail account. On entering, this is the dashboard of your 000 web host account which you have created with your Gmail account. Just scroll down and you can see there's an option called "It's not my first rodeo, take me to the panel." Close this ad and you have to click on this link. Skip this part. You have to give a website name, anything that of your choice. For now, I'm putting demo site. You can replace this password. Put your own password. This is coming as this field is too short, so take care that you put more than 8 digits or alphabets. You can also see your password if you have written it correctly. Click on submit. If such option comes in, like another website with this name already exists, so you have to change your website name. For now, I'm putting example. Click on submit and let's see whether this name will be accepted. The blue bar is loading and your website has been created successfully. Now you have to upload your web page which you have created in your notepad. Click on select. This will redirect you to a file manager in the other tab. This is your file manager where you will upload your web page. Click on public HTML folder. Double click on this option. Now in this folder you are going to upload your web page. Click on there are various options available. Click on upload files option. Click on select files. Select your file from your computer. On desktop there's a file called bps.html. Click on the file and then click on open. Click on upload. The file has been uploaded successfully. If you want to upload any other image that you have already put in your web page, you can upload that file also. Select files and select the image which you have already used in your web page. Click on upload. And the same has been uploaded in your file manager. click on your HTML file and we have to rename this. Click on rename option and rename this with index.html. The file has been renamed successfully. You can see here it's index.html file now. Go back to your website list, that is dashboard of your account. This was your project. You just have to click on the link and your web page has been hosted successfully. This is the URL that you can share among your friends. If you want to do some changements in your website, click on the manage website option. Go to website settings. Go to general. Scroll down. You can either change your password of your project. If you want to delete your website, you can do that also. If you want to reset your website, you can do that also. The file manager also allows you, if you want to do some changements in your web page, you can directly open your index.html file and go to edit option. It's same like we open our HTML document in Notepad in your computer. In the same way, you can open your HTML document on 000 web host file manager. Suppose I want to change the background color of my web page from yellow to green. I'll type green color. I'll click on save. Click on save and close. Go back to your web page and refresh the page, and the changements have been done successfully. You can go to the file manager from manage websites and then file manager. And you can click on the folder public HTML and then you can edit your index.html file anytime in near future. Remember to always click on save and close option, and then you can see the refreshed web page also. You can always click on my sites and the sites which you have created will be shown here. Remember, the free account allows you to host only one site. The premium account allows you to host more than one site. But for now, if you want to host some other site, either you have to delete the previous one or you have to make a fresh new account, new 000 web host account, and then from there you can host the other site. So our site has been hosted successfully. In this way, you can create your web page and host it on 000 web host. So create your website and host it on this platform freely. Thank you.